Good morning children. I am going to take EVS subject for 2nd standard term 2 portion children. Lesson 1 food and health. Already I wrote for you. You fill in the blanks, question answers and all I wrote. Match. You wrote in your EVS classwork. Now you are going to continue from that. Okay children. 7 question answers I wrote and then one difference between the healthy food and junk food I gave. Then you continue children. All of you take a EVS classwork. Choose the correct answer. Write the heading. Choose the correct answer. Listen children. Eating dash improves our eyesight. Potato is given. Tomato and carrot. What will come children? Carrot is the right answer. Carrot only improves our eyesight and prevents the night blindness. Carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T, write in the dash carrot. Eating, E-A-T-I-N-G, eating carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Improves, I-M-P-R-O-V-E-S, improves, R-O-U-R-R, eyesight, E-Y-E. Eyesight, S-I-G-H-T, eyesight means kan parvai. Potato, tomato and carrot. Next one, second one, see children. Seeds and nuts gives us dash. The options are spices, oil and sugar. What will be the right answer? Seeds and nuts, enna kudukkum namakku? Oil is the right answer. So you write in the dash oil. O-I-L. Oil. C-E-E-D-S. Seeds. A-N-D. And. Nuts. N-U-T-S. Nuts gives G-I-V-E-S. Gives us oil. O-I-L. Oil. Spices, oil and sugar. Oil is the correct answer. You should write in the dash oil. Children, say along with me. Take your EVS classwork. Say and write. Write neatly. Drinking dash is good for health. The options are milk is given, soft drinks and soda. See here. Drinking, D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking dash, I-S is good, G-O-O-D, good for, F-O-R, for health. H-E-A-L-T-H, health. M-I-L-K, milk, S-O-F-T, soft drink, D-R-I-N-K-A, soft drinks, soda, S-O-D-A, soda. What is the right answer? Milk. Milk only is good for our health. So write here milk. M-I-L-K. Milk. Next one children. See here, pick out the odd one. After finishing this, choose the correct answer. No, you continue the pick out the odd one. You are going to circle. Which one is odd? Different number circle panna poram. C-R-A-B, crab. Crab means nand. Prawn, P-R-A-W-N-S, prawns means era. Fishes means mean. F-I-S-H-E-S, meangal, fishes. இதில் வந்து C-O-W, cow கொடுத்துருக்கு. cow வந்து ஒரு domestic animal. அது டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்குது. ஆட் டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்கிறது தான் ஆட் ஒன். இதெல்லாம் வந்து கடலில் வாழக்கூடிய கடல் இனங்கள். cow வந்து land animal. So we are going to circle the odd one. That is called picking out the odd one. See here. Crab, prawn, cow, fishes. So this is odd one. We are circling this odd one. Next one see. Pizza, second one children. See here. Pizza, cashew nut, burger and cookies. This pizza, burger and cookies is a junk food. Cashew nut is good for our health. So you should pick out this odd one. P-I-Z-Z-A, pizza. Cashew nut, C-A-S-H-E-W-N-U-T, cashew nut. B-U-R-G-E-R, burger. Cookies, C-O-O-K-I-E-S, cookies. Next one see children. Apple, curry leaves, mango and banana. This apple, mango and banana are fruits. Curry leaves is a spicy leaves. Karuveppilai solvom. That is not fruit. Okay, so we are going to pick out that odd one. Curry leaves. Okay, apple, see the spelling, A-P-P-L-E, apple, C-U-R-R-Y, curry leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves, mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango, B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. We are picking out the odd one. The odd one is curry leaf. Okay, children, take your classwork and write neatly. See here, write from the, choose the correct answer. Till this, we are going to continue from the before classes, that is from what we finished. We finished till the question answers. Okay, you continue from that in your EVS classwork. See, write neatly. Okay, children, say and write. Now we are going to see who am I. Children, half-yearly exam is nearing, so buy your term 2 books and start reading it. Continue, children. Who am I? First one, I am a tree. I am a tree. T-R-E-E. I am a tree. People. P-E-O-P-L-E. People. Use. U-S-E. Use. All my parts. P-A-R-T-S. I give. Jaggery. J-A-G-G-E-R-Y. Jaggery means what? Vellam. It is good. G-O-O-D. It is good for health. H-E-A-L-T-H. It is good for health. Say what is the answer? Answer is sugar cane. S-U-G-A-R. Sugar. C-A-N-E. Sugar cane. From the sugar cane only we are getting the jaggery and sugar. So it is very good for health. So answer is sugar cane. Now I am going to write the second one. I am white in color. W-H-I-T-E. White in color. C-O-L-O-U-R. White in color. I am rich in. I am rich. Rich means here calcium. Calcium is more. Rich in calcium. C-A-L-C-I-U-M. I am rich in calcium. Who am I? Say children, what we used to drink daily. What? White color. It will be in white color. Daily morning and night we used to drink. Say what is the answer will be? Yes, milk. It is milk. Milk is very rich in calcium. We should drink daily. Third one, I am orange in color. Am O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange in color. C-O-L-O-U-R. I am a vegetable. I am a V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E. I am a vegetable. I improve our eyesight. I improve. I-M-P-R-O-V-E. I improve our eyesight. O-U-R. Our eyesight. S-I-G-H-T. Say what will be the answer? Orange color vegetable. Say. Yes, carrot. What is the answer? Answer is carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Okay, children. See, who am I? After they choose the correct answer and pick out the odd one, you are going to continue. Who am I? Write in your EVS classwork. I am a tree. People use all my parts. I give jaggery. It is good for health. The answer is sugar cane. S-U-G-A-R. Sugar. C-A-N-E. Sugar cane. I am white in color. I am rich in calcium. Say Milk, M-I-L-K, milk. Answer is milk. I am orange in color. I am a vegetable. I improve our eyesight. Answer is C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. By this we are finishing this unit, lesson 1, food and health, children. Now I am going to continue the lesson 2. Children, we finished the lesson 1, food and health. Now I am going to take a new lesson, lesson 2, water. Water lesson I am going to take, children. Water is very useful for cooking, drinking water, for plants, for farming and all. We need water. Water is the main source for us. We get water from the rain. Rain is the main sources of water. Without rain, we won't get water. Okay. See here, journey of rain. Page number 59. Page number 59. See here, journey of rain is given. Raindrops, drip drop, they drop from the sky. Where we are getting the water? We used to get as drops from the sky. One by one, they multiple. We used to get the drops one by one. Then we used to in multiples. நிறைய அப்புறமா drop நிறைய விழும். Drip drop, they fall on the ground. By one by drop, here it used to fall on the ground. Everywhere with a lovely sound. If you hear the rain of the sound, it will be very lovely. We used to like the rain sound. Drip drop, they sweep into the ground. The rainwater used to go ground kulla uduruvi poidum. To grow healthy saplings all around. The rainwater is healthy for water. Mara kandugalukku the rainwater is very good. On hot sunny days, they go back to the sky. In the summer season, all this water from the pond, lakes, rivers and all, they used to evaporate and go up to the sky again. To come again another day, cloudy day. That it used to become cloud and it used to come as rain again. Drip drop, they drop all the way to keep all of us happy. The raindrops always it used to drop and keep us very happy. Okay children, see here, clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S, this is clouds. Okay, the rain here what is here? Sea, kadal. Sea means what? Kadal. This one is river. What is this one? This one is river. R-I-V-E-R. The river water come and end in the sea. Okay. Here mountains. We are having mountains. Okay. From the mountain, see one pond is there. Below the mountain, pond is there. Pond means what? Kulam. Okay. See here, clouds. Okay, we are getting rain. From the clouds, we are getting rain. See here. The rain comes from the river and ends in the sea. Okay, again the sea evaporate. During the summer season, no, the sea used to evaporate and come as clouds, and the clouds move towards the mountain and flow here. Okay, from the here it goes into the river and again come. This is the rotation. Okay, evaporation, then it goes clouds, then come as rain, and again it come and end with sea. This is sun. Okay, it's in page number 59. By this method only we are getting the rain. See here, water from glacier. A glacier is a slow moving block of ice. ஐஸ் கட்டிங்க அப்படியே பிளாக் அப்படியே ஃப்ளோட் பண்ணும். ஐஸ் மலை மாதிரி இருக்கும் தண்ணியில், அது அப்படியே ஃப்ளோட் ஆகும், அது கிளாஷியர். தென் மெல்டிங் கிளாஷியர்ஸ். ஐ ஆம் அ வாட்டர் ட்ராப் ஃப்ரம் த ஸ்னோ மவுண்டன். ஐ ஃப்ளோ ஃப்ரம் த கிளேஷியர் வென் த வெதர் பிகம்ஸ் வார்ம். The glaciers used to melt and float in the river when the sun shine. If the sun is coming means all the ice blocks used to melt. That is melting glaciers. Stream. Stream means what? From the glacier the ice is melting, no? It forms as a small stream. Oda mari mountain ku naduvula the streams used to come. River. River means what, children? Many mountain streams join together to form a river. Many mountains இருந்து வர சின்ன சின்ன ஓடைங்கள்லாம் ஒரு ரிவராக ஃபார்ம் ஆகுது. தென் வாட்டர் ஃபால்ஸ். சம்டைம்ஸ் rivers or streams fall down as waterfalls. From the mountain the water used to fall down, no? If it fall down means it becomes as a waterfalls. Say waterfalls, children. Name any waterfall. Kutralam. Okay, Nakara, so we can see the waterfalls. Okay, see here. Mountain will be here. See here, mountain will be here, the river used to flow here. This is waterfalls. Kutralam will be is a very nice place, we can go and take bath. This is mountain. This is waterfalls. The water used to flow down with heavy force. Okay, we can take part in that. It's very good for our health. Then sea. As a river, I continue my journey across the forest, villages and cities. Farmers use me for farming and people use me for drinking, cooking and other needs. I finally reach to the sea. From the river from the where it starts the river journey. River starts its journey from the mountain. In the Malayaland river start agi. It used to go across the field area for farmers used to grow the crops. No, it used to go there from cities, then villages, then people use for drinking, cooking and other needs. Finally, it comes and ends in the sea. Okay, it starts in the river starts from the mountain and ends with sea. Okay, children, the main sources of water. See here, what is given? Underground water. We used to get water by which sources? By well, kinaru, bore well means we used to put bore in the well and used to take the water to the tank. Then hand pump, kai pump, adiponla, the hand pump. These are the sources of water. Okay, children, the rest we can continue in the next class. Thank you, children.